I'm Mrs. Cavazos with the HB Zachary Orchestra, here doing a quick tutorial on Dance of the Reed pipes with Yelena's cello. It has all the wonderful, beautiful, colorful tapes. If you don't have these will make your life a lot easier. They're called Don't Frets, so they're really, really good. We'll dig right into the first measure is the same as measure 1, 2, 3. You're just playing D, A, low A, A. So you do that again. Measure 2, measure 3. Measure 4, you're playing E, E, A, high A. Then you have open C, C on the G, D on the C, and then D. Measure 6, you have E, E, F sharp. You're going to extend if you want to play the note that's written here. You have an F sharp, which is going to be a high 4th finger here. You could extend it this way, or you could actually do a half shift down, so it's going to be on the white tape for the F sharp. If you do shift down, you can go right across to the F sharp here without having to move your whole entire hand. So if you decide to extend, bring your thumb down with it. So you could do F sharp to F sharp. If you feel more comfortable actually doing a small shift, you could do the 4th finger F sharp and then 2nd F sharp this way. So you have a couple different options. Measure 7, you have a G, then a G, and then you have a G sharp. Just kind of slide that 1st finger back to that white tape, G sharp. That high G sharp will be on this white tape. Measure 8, you have same low A's that you've been using for the beginning part of it. You have A, A, measure 9, D, A, just like the beginning, 10, 11, 12 is the same with the E, A, C sharp, D, D. For that C sharp, same thing, just slide that 1st finger back, and then C sharp up here. You have your D note, and then you have your D note. E sharp is the same thing as F natural. So when you're looking at measure 14, E sharp is F natural. So F natural is 4 on the C. F natural higher is 2 on the D note, because then you have an F sharp and an F sharp. So it's the same F sharps you've been using. Goes back to G sharp, same G sharp you've been using. G sharp, 1st finger A, open A, B, B, and you finally get to the half note A. Here you use your bow for the next part. So it's going to say arco, you use your bow. You'll have time to reach from pizzicato to your bow. So don't freak out and be like, oh my gosh. You'll have time. So you're going to play the G note. C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Rest. So the next part is chromatic. If you want to just play the quarter note, you are more than welcome to. If you want to play all the notes, you're going to play C sharp, D, D sharp, E, back to C sharp, D, D sharp, E, back to C sharp, D, D sharp, E, and then A. So those lines over the notes at measure 13 are slurs, meaning you could put them on the same bow, but if it's easier for you to separate those for now, you can. So it's C sharp, D, again, 3 times. And And then from there it says DCL coda. So you go back to the beginning. You play measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, you go down to 25, the coda, and you just have a rest, open G, A, D, and that's the whole entire dance of the reed types. So hopefully it helped you going measure by measure, and you're able to practice this at home and make beautiful music. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Like, subscribe, all that other wonderful stuff. Practice at home, practice at home, practice at home, and y'all have a good day.